Hello students, welcome to the Megha Goswami classes. In the last class we have studied about the surface area of the cylinder, and now today we will study about the volume of the cylinder. Okay, all of you know that what is the volume? The space occupied by any object is called its volume. Okay, so now let's start. First, this is the shape of a cylinder. Okay, now its top and bottom are in circular form. Okay, suppose one circular disc here and the radius is r. Radius is r centimeter here. So what will be the area of this disc? It will be area of one disc. It will be pi r square. Clear? Now if I am taking this type of 5 discs, then what will be the area of them? Then area of 5 discs will be 5 pi r square. Okay, अगर मैं 5 disc इस type की लेती हूँ, then what will be the area? It is 5 pi r square. Now I am saying that suppose I am taking one stack of 5 circular discs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I am taking one stack of 5 circular discs. So this will be in the form of cylinder. It means 2D object जो था, 2 dimensional object किस में convert हो गया है? 3 dimensional object में. It means यहाँ पर क्या include हो गई इसकी? Height. हाइट इंक्लूड हो गई. अभी तक हम एरिया की बात कर रहे थे, अब हम बात करेंगे वॉल्यूम की. ओके, यानी जब मैंने 5 डिस्क को एक सिलेंडर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, एक के ऊपर एक रख दिया, स्टैक बना दिया, तो ये सिलेंड्रिकल फॉर्म हो गया. तो यहाँ पर ये 3D ऑब्जेक्ट कन्वर्ट हो गया. यहाँ पर मैं बात करूंगी इसके वॉल्यूम की. तो इसका वॉल्यूम क्या हो जाएगा? वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस सिलेंडर. ओके, this cylinder means 5 discs, stack of 5 discs. Okay, it will be 5 pi r square. Pi r square is the base, area of base, and suppose this is the 5 centimeter. Okay, it means base area multiply by height. Base area multiply by height. Okay, we can write pi r square h. It is the formula of volume of cylinder. Pi r square h, where the value of pi is 22/7 or 3.14, and the value and the r and h are radius and height. Clear? Now we will take an example and solve it by the formula volume of the cylinder. It is pi r square h. Let circumference of any cylinder is 88 centimeter. It is given. Okay, and height is given 15 centimeter. Height is given 15 centimeter here. You have to find the radius. Okay, now solution. You have to find the radius and volume here. Okay, you have to find the radius and volume. सबसे पहले अगर ये क्वेश्चन में ये नहीं देते कि you have to find the radius, it means सिर्फ आपको वॉल्यूम निकालना होता तो भी आपको रेडियस चाहिए होती. क्यों? क्योंकि फॉर्मूला ऑफ द वॉल्यूम इज पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. इट मीन्स you have to find the radius here. Okay, so now circumference is 88. The formula of circumference is 2 pi r is 88. 2 multiply 22/7 multiply r is equal 88. Then r will be 7 multiply 88/2 multiply 22. Clear? Now 22 4 ja, it will be 14 centimeter. Radius क्या आ गई? 14 centimeter. Now we have to find the volume here. What the formula of volume is pi r square h. Okay. Pi r square h, it will be 22/7. The value of r क्या है आपकी? 14 into 14. The value of height is given 15 centimeter here. Clear? it will be 6. 6 multiply 15 centimeter cube. This is the answer of volume. Okay, so clear is it? मैंने कौन सा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया? वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. द वैल्यू ऑफ वॉल्यूम इज 9240 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. मैंने क्या यूनिट ली है यहाँ पे? सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, क्योंकि 3D ऑब्जेक्ट है तो सेंटीमीटर 3 डायमेंशनल ऑब्जेक्ट है तो इसकी यूनिट हो जाएगी सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. Yes, now I hope students you understood this topic very well. So okay, take care.